Okay, welcome to another video. Happy to have you here. If this is your first time, that is very cool. Thank you for watching. What we're going to talk about today is a really basic, simple hack that could change the game for you if you've not been doing this. Hopefully a lot of you have been. But basically, sometimes people will ask me, and they'll send me shirts and say, what is wrong with this design? I don't see it selling. And what they're basically sending me is a design that looks something like this. So they basically have so much empty space in this box that's being used, right? What I always tell them, the first thing to do is just do something like that. Blow it up. A lot of these people shopping are on mobile. Moms, they're doing their grocery shopping. They're like, oh, maybe I'll pick up a shirt for my kid. Funny tiger t-shirt, cute, llama shirt. And they'll look through it. And they basically look at stuff like this. They're looking at these thumbnails, right? I can't read these. Basically, they're like, should I get it? No, and they'll go for something which they can see with their eye, right? So that's something like this. Like this brand, you can see very clearly what it is, right? If you go into here, you can clearly tell that this person is using as much real estate as they can, right? They're pushing the brink of what the radius that can take it, right? If you look at this one, even though I think it's great and it's funny and there's a charm to its smallness, generally speaking, people can't read that. You can't see that when you're looking at thumbnails, and considering how much traffic is on mobile, and then even scrolling on desktop, people are looking. If we write cute cat shirt, okay, and we're going through here, we see big images. Our eyes are drawn to these big images, right? You see the paws, you see things like that. If something is small, you literally will move past it. And sometimes when Amazon rotates and they're putting up new content just to switch things up for the consumer, and you have that opportunity to get your shirt in front of the consumer, and they don't click on it, it's hard for that opportunity to come again and again and again, right? So if you notice, a common theme of these things is that they have these big, fat, bold images. That's what sells well on Amazon. These I love pineapple shirts. Pineapple shirts sell super well. So that's basically what I would that's what I would suggest. And look at the difference. It pops absolutely hugely, right? Compared to this that you'll see right away. It's small. You know what I mean? You go here and you see, wow, I know what that says. I kind of don't know what that says. So that's just a simple, basic hack. If you've not been doing this, hit those borders. Like, it might not look that great on a shirt, but it will look great on a thumbnail, and it will probably lead to a sale more than this would, right? Because it pops and it grabs. It takes up a lot of visual space. So that's my pro hack tip for the day. If you haven't been doing that, it's funny. A lot of people don't do this. I get a lot of shirts that say, "What's wrong with this?" I'm like, "Dude, just blow it up." Right? Of course, the keywords and the niche might have issues, but fill that thing. Take up the thumbnail real estate. As you can see, this is a recent thing, but they're devoting like more than half this page to the image. Look at that. Look where it's split down in the middle, right? And I think it's more than half. And it's just a big, because they realize that, because they track where users look and they see that. What people do when they click on a product page is they just look at the image. Boom, they look at the price, the title, they make a decision within like a few seconds. All this thing with the bullets, they don't really look at that. And they kind of gauge trust really quickly, right? They look at the reviews, it's huge. So just keep in mind the importance of visual impact in your design. And that is a pro hack to boosting your sales with Merch by Amazon. All right, thank you very much for watching. Feel free to subscribe, check out the other videos. I think I'll probably link some here. Click on all the links. Check it all out if this is interesting to you. And see you later, my friends. Peace out.